guys, welcome back to my channel Let Them Love Us. So in this video I'm going to show you my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul part 2. In the part 1 I have showed you my all the makeup collection what I got. So in this video I'm going to show you my all skincare items what I have got. So let's get started. So first I got this Pond's first item I got this Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution and Purity face wash. This is a good face wash. It cleans everything. It has charcoal. So yes, so I got this is for 190 rupees, and for the sale price I will mention on the screen at what price I have got this. Okay, so yes, this is my first item. Next item I got this CGG Sunshine Kit Sunscreen Facial Mist. So this is the facial mist. This is the SPF 40, protects from UVA and UVB. So yes, let's open it. Okay. So this comes in a pump like packaging. You have to spray. This have the 40 SPF, so which is pump. I don't know. This is okay. Yes. It doesn't smell good at all. बट हाँ इवनली अच्छे से स्प्रे भी कर रहा है, लेकिन इसकी स्मेल बहुत ही बेकार है. सो येस, दिस इज ऑन द प्राइस ऑफ 500 रुपीज़, बट I think so I got for 300 something, but I'll mention the sale prices on the screen somewhere, so check it out. So next face wash I got this Globus Glycolic and Salicylic Acid face wash. This is a very good face wash for the oily skin. I have a oily skin and this is रामबाण जिसे बोलते हैं ना, वो है ये. इसके अंदर छोटे छोटे बीड्स है, इफ़ यू कैन सी दिस. सो येस, ये ग्लाइकोलिक प्लस सैलिसिलिक एसिड है. इसके अंदर आई थिंक सो 1% ग्लाइकोलिक एंड 2% सैलिसिलिक है, या वाइस वर्सा. सो आई डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड फॉर द ऑयली स्किन पीपल. सो एंड दिस इज क्वाइट अ चीप product, 145, and I think so I got it for around 100 rupees or 110 rupees. So yes, and this is also a Globus Glycolic Salicylic Acid and face wash. I think so this is in the new packaging. So yes, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इनकी ये अपनी नई पैकेजिंग के साथ आए हैं, बट वेबसाइट पे ये भी अवेलेबल था, ये भी अवेलेबल था. सो आई थिंक आई शुड मस्ट ट्राई इट ऑल. सब कुछ इसमें सेम लिखा हुआ है, बट येस सेम टेक्सचर भी है, बीड्स भी है. सो आई थिंक सो दिस इज इन द न्यू पैकेजिंग फॉर्म. दिस इज फॉर 195. आई डोंट नो, मे बी शायद उन्होंने पैकेजिंग थोड़ी अप करी है इसके मुकाबले, तो इसलिए इनका थोड़ा प्राइस भी हाई हो गया. 195 का है एंड आई गॉट फॉर 150. बट इफ बोथ आर सेम in texture or in everything, I'll go for this because this is much cheaper than this. So yes. So next item I got this Biotique Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. इसकी पैकेजिंग मैंने कहीं फेंक दी बिकॉज मैं इसे यूज़ भी करने लग गई हूँ. इट स्मेल्स गुड एंड ठीक है, इतनी कोई वो नहीं है, कुछ इसने ड्रास्टिक कोई चेंजेस ऐसे नहीं दिखाए हैं, बट ठीक है ये. इफ़ यू वांट टू हाइड्रेट योर स्किन, for that purpose it is good. And this is for 199, and I think I paid full amount, but you can check on the screen. So yes, this is also a face wash. In this skincare haul I got around 3 to 4 face washes, but this is from the Cheryl Cosmeceuticals. This is for the acne prone skin. I have some कभी भी कहीं से भी आ जाते हैं यार. So this is the anti-germ face wash that regulates sebum and blackheads, restoring balance to acne prone skin. So this have the key ingredients: cinnamon extract, sodium PCA. So yeah, this have a very unique technique to apply. That's why I got it, and I want to test it out whether it works or not. So first, face wash. You have to wash face and neck with water. Just water से आप धो लीजिए. Then towel dry it. Spread Cheryl Derma cleanse with fingertips on a whole face and neck, and leave it for 5 minutes and wash it off. You have to first leave for 5 minutes on whole your face, then you have to wash your face. I've used once, and I will suggest. This is a good face wash, I think so. You must try it. And this is for rupees, I think so. This is for 300 rupees, and maybe I got it for full prices. So yes. So next I want a tea tree oil. So मुझे ये ठीक लगा तो मैंने ले लिया. The Beautyco tea tree essential oil. This is in the 15 ml packaging, and this is for 350 rupees. It comes like this. This is the bottle in a blue bottle, and it comes in a pump like packaging. So yes, tea tree oil. If you are oily or acne prone skin, tea tree is must have for you, baby. So yes, got this. So next, first time I'm trying the Plump products, and I don't know, you all have heard about the green tea clear face mask. This is a very good for the oily skin people, and if you have acne, I heard that just put it on your acne and leave it. It will and ये आपको काफ़ी and सुखा देगा आपके उस दाने को, आपके उस acne को. So yes, it comes in a glass tub bottle. It's look like multani mitti. Smells okay. So yes, when I try it, I'll definitely tell you. And this is for rupees. Where is the price? This is for rupees 590, and I got it for around 350 or 400. So yes. So next, मुझे बहुत टाइम से एक रोज़अप ऑयल चाहिए था. So मैंने काफ़ी रिव्यूज़ वगैरह देखे, and I heard about Deve Herbs oils and items. So yes, this also comes in glass bottle and with a pump packaging. So yes, this is in the 15 ml packaging, and this is for rupees 399, and it is on offer, and this is for 399 rupees. So yes, मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से एक रोज़अप ऑयल सुना था, and I have heard a lot about the oily skin people. They have used रोज़अप oil, and काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपका सीबम वगैरह जो होता है उसको काफ़ी कंट्रोल करता है, और आपके टेक्सचर को बहुत अच्छा करता है रोज़अप ऑयल. सो आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम देवे हर्ब्स, एंड दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग द रोज़अप ऑयल. So yes, this is in the 15 ml packaging, and this is for rupees 399. So this comes also in a glass bottle and with a pump packaging. So yes, I am very curious about to use this and how it will work on my skin. So next I got, this is also on the first time I got the Face Shop product, and this is the emulsion moisturize ceramide moisturizing emulsion hydrate. So yeah, this is also a 150 ml packaging. This is for rupees 820, and I think so I got it for, I don't know, 600 something around. So yes, and this is on the offer that if you buy around 999 or above, you will get two seaweed brightening discovery kit. So I got this 2 kits, and nonetheless I got this rice water bright light cleansing oil. So yes, I use it once, and this is a bomb product if you are using any makeup or if you want to oil cleanse first, a very good, all the dirt, all the makeup will come off. So yes, these two, and this is the brightening kit in which I got 3 products. ये क्या है, तो खुला हुआ है. So yes, 3 products I got in both the kits. So first is brightening toner. This is the toner. This is in the sealed package form. And next is brightening lotion. This is the lotion. And this is the serum, the white seed brightening serum. So yes, अगर मुझे सूट करते हैं तो definitely I'm gonna buy the full size product. So yes, nonetheless, the last and one more thing I got from the face shop. I got the aloe vera gel. I have heard a lot, and that is a bomb.com product if you are oily or if you want to moisturize your skin and आपको aloe vera सूट करता है तो definitely आप उसको buy कर सकते हैं. This is for $3.99 or something else, and काफ़ी बड़ी bottle tub है उसका, not the bottle, tub काफ़ी अच्छा है उसका. So yes, I think so you must try that also. तभी मेरा 399 हुआ था, and I got both discovery kit and the facial oil. So yes, next I got the M Caffeine Naked Raw Coffee Body Scrub. इसका भी मैंने काफ़ी सुना हुआ है कि बहुत अच्छा है इसका बॉडी स्क्रब. So yes, I got this. This is the 499 and I think so this is for 250 or 300 something around. मैं prices जो है दे दूँगी आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर. And this is for normal to oily skin एंड अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. एंड उसकी वेबसाइट पे उस टाइम पे एक अच्छा ऑफर चल रहा था कि आप एम कैफीन का कुछ भी आप लेते हो, कोई प्राइसिंग की कुछ वो नहीं थी, आप कुछ भी लेते हो तो उसके साथ आपको जो है एक ये एम कैफीन नेकेड डिटॉक्स ग्रीन टी फेस सिरम ये आपको फ्री था. सो आई थिंक सो व्हाई नॉट. सो येस, आई ग्रैब दिस. सो आई विल ओपन एंड टेल यू. I think so this is a glass tub bottle and this is the spoon. How cute this is. Yes, I got this and I will also open this. This is for $699 and I think so this is a very good purchase if you are buying 250 and you get a full size product of $699. Very good deal. Okay, this is the, and this have the green tea with vitamin C. Good deal. So yes, this is my all the products what I got that time Pink Friday sale haul. So yes, if you like this video, please like, share and please उस subscribe button को जो है press कर दीजिए. This will help me a lot. So yes, and until next time, bye bye guys.